So let's do some question of restricted MLE, and you will get to know what it is. So x1, x2, xn, b random sample from Bernoulli distribution with parameter 1 comma p, and instead of p 0 p1 it is 0 p half. So this is the restricted case, like previously we used to have this and now it is restricted one. So okay, so restricted case it is. So p of x equal to x will be what? P raised to x 1 minus p 1 minus x. L will be equal to p summation xi 1 minus p n minus summation xi. Okay. Log L summation xi log p plus n minus summation xi log of 1 minus p. Okay. Then del log L upon del p equal to summation xi upon p plus n minus summation xi upon 1 minus p minus psi. Okay. So summation xi minus p summation xi equated to equal to 0. So, summation xi minus p summation xi minus np plus p summation xi equal to 0. This is equal to 0. So p equal to x bar. This comes as unrestricted MLE. Now it is unrestricted MLE till now. But now we have restricted it to 0 p half. So make a graph. This maximum point will be x bar. Now, if this half, this is p, this is L of p. If this is this side, then MLE will be, if your p is only up 0 to half, then MLE maximum point will be this thing. So in that case, if x bar is greater than half, then MLE will be half. And if x bar is less than half, like if x bar lies this side, then MLE will be x bar. Therefore, MLE is minimum of half comma x bar. Anybody has got any doubt? They can chat. They can put message in chat box. If everybody of you understood, please type yes. Akshaya, Rehna. Please explain the figure once. Okay. So I'm explaining the figure once. Okay. So here p equal to x bar. This is MLE. All of you know we have restricted MLE 0 p half, and we know that like the likelihood function attains its maximum value at x bar. From here we can tell this. So this point is x bar, but your MLE lies between 0 to half. So if your MLE has, if half, this is p, and this is p, and this is what is this? This is L of p. Okay, likelihood of p, and this is p. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. Okay, So it attains maximum value at x bar. But when it goes from 0, p goes from 0 to 1. Now we have till that it is going to lie only up to 0 to half. So in this case, the MLE will be half. MLE of P will be half. Now let's make another diagram. Again, this is x bar. Now your half lies this side. If your half, in this case, x bar is greater than half. In this case, x bar is less than half. So MLE will be x bar. Therefore, we can say that whatever is minimum, half, जो छोटा है, whatever is minimum, half or x bar, that is MLE. Therefore, MLE जो होगा, MLE of P will be minimum of x bar comma half. Okay, all of you got? Please type yes or no. Got it. Shreya got it. Don't worry, I'm going to solve another question on it. So there is no need to worry. Okay. Now suppose we are going to exercise follow Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution with parameter theta. So you know that theta can be greater than 0, like 0 theta infinity. So for this case, so you will get MLE of theta as x bar. After solving del log L upon del lambda equal to 0, you will get theta as x bar. Now let's talk about MLE of restricted MLE for Poisson. Suppose instead of 0 theta infinity, theta is only up to until 2. We are restricting it until 2. Okay. So before this, theta is this. Start from 0, it is L of theta. So we know that this attains maximum value at x bar. Now here is 2. So in this case, first will be MLE. Everybody write in message box. Rehana, please write that in my message box. Akshaya, please write that in message box. Anybody else? Madhu, please write that in message box. Okay. Vishal, what will be the answer? Vishal. So in this case, as you can see that your MLE, you have restricted theta to lie between 0 to 2, like this thing. You have restricted, so MLE, the highest the LP can attain is at 2. Okay. The highest it can achieve it is at 2. But suppose your x bar is this and your theta is this side. Your theta, like it is 2, is on this side. So in this case, x bar will be the MLE. So MLE will be basically minimum of 2 comma x bar. Whichever is minimum, that will be MLE. Okay, so it is again same type of example for MLE. So we have covered restricted MLE case also. Now, why I taught MLE? That's a question. It is helpful in finding U and PUE. MLE has got properties like consistency, efficiency, sufficiency. So MLE can be biased. but except unbiasedness, MLE follow every other property. So that's why I have got this MLE to discuss. And then if anybody have got any doubt, you can ask me, you can unmute your audio and you can ask me. So we will be ending this lecture. If anybody have not got any doubt, anybody, Vishal, Rehna, Madhu, Akshaya, anybody got any doubt, they can unmute your audio and they can just ask the question.
Sir, how do we know that 2 is less than x bar in the last problem you did?
Yeah, see, x bar comma 2. In option there will be 4 options for you to solve, for you to tick. One will be minimum x bar comma 2, one will be minimum x bar, one will be 2, and one will be maximum x bar comma 2. So in that you have to select x bar comma 2, minimum x bar comma 2. Or they have given you some observation 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. So you have to calculate x bar. Okay, 3, 1, 4, 5, 9, 7, 16 upon 5. 3.2. So x bar is coming as 3.2. Then MLE will be your 2 in that case. If your x bar is suppose here is 2, it is 1 and 1. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5. 5 upon 5. So it is coming as 1. So x bar is coming as 1. For this observation, you are going to take MLE equal to 1. Okay? Equal to x bar. Madhu, you got it?
Okay, sir, I got it.
Anybody else have got any doubt? Yeah, if anybody is shy to like ask question, they can just type on chat box and I can refer to that part of question. So that's not it. See, today I have introduced order statistics. So you should know this x1, x2, xr, xn. This thing, it's PDF basically. Sometimes you need to find the expectation of xn, sometimes you have expectation of xn. So this, f of x1 and f of xn, this you should be able to find it quickly. Okay. And then, we introduced gamma distribution, Poisson distribution, and then exponential distribution also, I think. So these all, you should know this fx comma theta. It's all PDF and expectation and variance. These 3 properties, not more than that. And there are 3 types of problem in MLE. Basically 4 types of problem in MLE. So first is x is independent of theta. So that's simply del log L upon del theta equal to 0 and get value of theta. Okay. The next problem is when x is dependent on theta, then order statistics comes into the picture. And see, if there is 2 MLEs, A comma B, then convex combination of A and B will also lie in the interval A comma B. Therefore, that will also be MLE. And this type of question, convex combination type of question, they asked in every examination. I have solved one and I will solve more while solving questions only. Okay. And third one is discrete type case. Like there are variables 0, 0, 2, 2, 3, 5, 8. So Px is equal to 0. L will be equal to square. Px is equal to 2 ka square into Px is equal to 3 into Px is equal to 5 into px is equal to 8. So this will be the MLE for this. And then del log L upon del theta. Okay. And fourth one is restricted MLE, where we restrict the parameter space. And their answer will be like minimum x bar comma whatever half, or maximum x bar comma 0. This type of answer you will get. And it depends on various questions, like till now 0p half, then their minimum x bar comma half. If it will be like that, half p 1, then it will be maximum half comma x bar. Okay. For this is like that, and for this is like that. Okay, so now today we discussed these all things. So I think we should end lecture here only. And if anybody have got any doubt in this, again I am asking them, please unmute your audio and just ask me or write in chat box. Okay. So I will take the name, and if anybody have, you should tell that you have understood the lecture. So Akshay, you understood the lecture?
Yes, sir, I understood, sir.
Yeah, and then Akshay, then Madhu, you understood?
Sir, I understood the lecture.
And Vishal, you understood?
Yes, sir.
And one Redmi mobile who is operating understood the lecture?
Yes, sir, sorry, sir, I joined very late.
Okay, so I will send you the recorded video. And Rehna, you got the lecture?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's end the lecture here. And hello, Rehna, you want to speak something?
Sir, I didn't get the recorded class yesterday.
Yeah, what you're telling, you haven't got anything? Hello? Yeah, just speak, like if you'll not tell, then how come I know that you understood or not? So please tell
Sir,
that.
she was actually asking for recorded classes.
Oh, I will send it. Don't worry. Okay. So let's end this lecture. Homework will be, every concept that I taught you, you should be seeing that part from S.C. Gupta, and I will inform you whether there is tomorrow there is lecture or not, or lecture is day after tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow is Sunday, so I can take lecture tomorrow also, and or day after tomorrow. So I will inform that in group. So thank you everyone. Recorded video will be sent to everybody. Please message me whoever want this recorded video. Thank you. Welcome, Akshay.